Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing 3 DIYs for you, and I'm simply just going to be using some spray paint. Yeah, basically there's a few items that I have in my house that I just kind of want to freshen up and just kind of give a new lease on life to. The first one is actually the jug behind me. As you can see, it is quite it's a lovely creamy colour, but a lot of the furniture and stuff in my bedroom is like white, and I have a few pinks in here and gold. So yeah, I kind of just wanted to keep it all sort of the same. The chest of drawers that I've got here are going to be a project of mine at some point as well. Like, I would really like to do these up and change the handles, so when I've got a bit more time, that'll be another project that I'm sure you guys will see on this channel as well. The next item that I'm looking to upcycle is these candlestick holders. My friend Leah actually gave these to me because she just didn't want them anymore, and I love them, but again I just kind of wanted to freshen them up and I went white with them again. But yeah, the spray paint that I'm using is the Rust-Oleum chalk white, and I just think it gives a really nice finish, and it just kind of, yeah, makes it look a little bit more modern farmhouse, which is kind of like the style and theme that I go for throughout the house. And lastly is this mirror that I've got in my bedroom. Like I said previously, I have a lot of like golds and pinks and whites in my bedroom, so I love this mirror, and it's really handy for when I want to do like my eyeliner and makeup in the mornings. So I just kind of wanted it to look a lot better and a lot kind of keeping with the theme of the bedroom. So instead of it being silver, I decided to spray paint it gold. So taping up the mirror was a little bit tricky. It was very fiddly, but I got there in the end. But that obviously just made sure that I didn't get any spray paint on the mirror, and I just used masking tape because I just found that was the best thing to use. So I literally taped up both sides, and yeah, then I went ahead and sprayed it, and thankfully it was actually a pretty nice day, so it was able to dry in the sun really quickly. So I was able to get all 3 things done within the same day. I love how the candlesticks turned out. I just need to get some little candles to put in them and then display them somewhere, but I've currently got them on like my dining room table at the moment. I've got one candle that looks really nice in there. I just wished I had 2 of the same pattern, but I'm sure I'll pop to a shop or can order some online at some point, and then yeah, I just think that they'll look really lovely. So I really love how the jug looks. It obviously isn't a big colour change, but for me it just made it look a little bit more fresher, and yeah, it just kind of blends in with my bedroom a lot nicer as well. I really hope that you enjoy these DIYs. Yeah, it's just a little basically a little DIY just to show you how I get on and spray painting some of these items, and hopefully it will kind of inspire you guys. So you'll have to let me know if you do. But yeah, I just really enjoy doing this, and I just think it's really nice to kind of upcycle stuff that you've already got in your house. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and let me know if there's any other DIYs that you would like to see from me, and I will see you in my next video. Thanks very much. Take care. Bye.